Hi, I'm Kimmie. I'm a career coach. Here are 3 ways to navigate a conversation to tell your manager that you're pregnant. Tip number 1, plan time and setting. When you tell your manager that you're pregnant, just schedule a meeting. Create an environment for that conversation. Timing matters. Give your manager a good amount of time to make work adjustments. While it's your personal decision, when you tell your manager, make sure you don't wait too late or until it's too obvious. Tip 2, be clear and be positive. Share your excitement. Also share your enthusiasm and excitement for your work and your commitment to your work. Provide essential details about when your due date, your expected time back, or what you might need as a reasonable accommodation. Avoid framing your pregnancy as a burden or apologizing for it. This is a natural part of life, and this should be a good time to be able to share it. Tip number 3, know your rights and your benefits. Be prepared to discuss your specific times off that you will need, your accommodations, and what support you will need from your manager. Familiarize yourself with your company policies and your state laws. Your manager might not know these, so be prepared with any questions that you might have. Be open to communication throughout your pregnancy to ensure a smooth transition and a great working relationship. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments.